The Lincoln Corsair key fob, used since 2020, uses a coin cell battery, typically CR2032 or CR2450. Replacing the battery is straightforward and takes 5 to 10 minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually on the sides or back. Insert the screwdriver into the seam and gently pry it open. It should snap apart without much force. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Work in a well-lit area and avoid static electricity by grounding yourself. Be sure the vehicle is off to avoid accidental activation. Note that faulty fob batteries led to a voluntary recall in mid-2024 for 2022-2024 models, which was fixed by a battery replacement and firmware update. Some 2025 models have programmable buttons needing a FordPass app reset after battery change. Once the fob is open, remove the old battery, noting that the positive side faces up. Clean the contacts with a soft cloth if they appear corroded. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Incorrect insertion can cause the fob to fail. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the vehicle. Common mistakes include using the wrong battery size, like CR2025, or damaging the rubber gasket. If you have two fobs, consider replacing both batteries as they often fail together. A growing trend is using rechargeable CR2032 batteries. Recycle old batteries to reduce e-waste. Ford's survey shows 65% of Corsair owners change batteries themselves.